What's going on, Level Up Grinders? It's been about 2 weeks since my last vlog. Sorry I haven't put out any content. I have been busy grinding and working with a side project. That side project brings me to my next announcement. I've officially joined Rounders Club Poker. Rounders Club is a poker club that is played right on your smartphone, your tablet, PC, basically wherever you have service, you have live casino poker right from your phone. It's not your typical online poker platform where you have a bunch of regs just sitting there grinding it out and you got to worry about getting 3-bet and 4-bet and all that stuff. This is more of a home game feel type poker, which is really cool. I really like it. Highly recommend it. I will be helping a lot of new players signing up, working with Rounders Club, and I'm pretty excited for the opportunity to do so. I am further extending the invitation to you guys, the subscribers, to have a chance to play with me without having to travel out to a casino for a meetup game or anything like that. Meetup games will be done right from the comfort of your own house, right on your phone or your computer, however you want to do it. And we can fire up some games and mention that at a later date. I could probably run one a week if we, want to do something like that. And it would be pretty cool to connect with my subscribers and be able to play hands with them and put them on the vlog. I think it'll be pretty cool and have some sort of something that these other vloggers aren't doing right now. So always want to try and do something a little different, and I think this would be the greatest way to do so. With all that said, I'm going to be running a giveaway contest. 2 random lucky subscribers are going to score themselves a Rounders Club hoodie. Show it over here. It's pretty cool. It's got the Rounders Club logo on the front and your poker screen name on the back, which is pretty cool. To qualify, you simply have to be a subscriber of my channel and a Rounders Club member to sign up. The sign up details will be posted at the end of this video. After signing up, just comment your poker username as you would like it to appear on the back of your hoodie to participate in the contest. If you're already a member and already a subscriber of the channel, that's cool. Just comment your username. You're in the contest as well. I hope to hear from a lot of you and get a chance to play poker with some of you. That'd be cool. I'm going to leave you with some screenshots from the club so you can see some of the things that Rounders Club has to offer. So as always, keep grinding and level up.
Who the fuck is Max B?